O siwmai, a chroeso I uned 5 yn y cwrs SYLFAEN, Unit 5 in the SYLFAEN, where we're using the verb cael, to have in the past tense, to tell where we were born and where we were brought up, using geni, to be born, and magi, to be brought up. So, tudalen 38 yn y cwrs, and we'll just run through the blocks on that page there. So, to start with, ces I fy ngeni, I was born. Ces I fy ngeni yn Abertawe, I was born in Swansea. So we'll just do a bit of ailadrodd, felly, ar ôl fi, os gwelwch yn dda. Ces I fy ngeni yn Abertawe. Ces I fy ngeni yn Aberpennar. Ces I fy ngeni yn Llanelli. Ces I fy ngeni yng Nghaerdydd. Ces I fy ngeni mewn ysbyty, in a hospital. Ces I fy ngeni mewn ysbyty. Ces I fy ngeni ym mis Mawrth. Ces I fy ngeni yn mis Mehefin. Ces I fy ngeni ym mis Rhagfyr. And the second block, we talk about where we were brought up, using the word magi, to be brought up. So, ces I fy ngeni, I was born. Ces I fy magi, I was brought up. So, ces I fy magi mewn pentre, I was brought up in a village. So again, if we just do a bit of repetition. Ces I fy magi mewn pentre. Ces I fy magi mewn tref. Ces I fy magi mewn dinas. Ces I fy magi mewn teulu mawr. Ces I fy magi yng Nghymru. Ces I fy magi yn yr Alban. Ces I fy magi yn Lloegr. We then move on to the question, where did you, where were you born, where were you brought up? Ble ces ti dy eni? So we're using dy eni di, dy fagu di. Watch the mutations. And that's then to be born. Where were you born? Where were you brought up? So we just practice the question. We use the T form to start with. So, ble ces ti dy eni? Ble ces ti dy eni? Ble ces ti dy fagu? Ble ces ti dy fagu? And then for the moment we'll finish with the chi version of the question. Ble cawsoch chi? Or the more informal, ble gethoch chi eich ageni? Ble cawsoch chi eich magi? So again, we'll just practice those. We'll practice the formal and the informal version, I think. Felly, ble cawsoch chi eich geni? Ble gethoch chi eich geni? Ble cawsoch chi eich magi? Ble gethoch chi eich magu? And we'll just have a look at those months of the year. Y Gwanwyn, the spring, mis Mawrth, mis Ebrill, mis Mai. Yr Haf, the summer, mis Mehefin, mis Gorffennaf, mis Awst. Yr Hydref, the autumn, Medi, Hydref, Tachwedd. And finally, winter, y Gaeaf, Rhagfyr, Ionawr, a Chwefror. Right, that's the end of this video. We'll have another video where we'll be looking at the other persons, ni, nhw, fe, a hi. Ond am y tro, diolch yn fawr, pob hwyl.